Okay, let me see if I can get video correct this time. I think I've been talking to the pictures because I'm a moron. Okay, it's Friday, October 4th. I'm so tired of looking at this house. But anyway, this is the kitchen. It used to be the kitchen. It's been gutted. We took out all of the cabinets, the drywall. The sink is gone. The granite is gone. This is used to be the laundry room, and we took the frame off or whatever. I don't know. And then in here, all of this is been demolished. Yeah, I guess all of the appliances are gone. And yeah, I guess the fridge is gone. The fridge is brand new. I don't even know how long I've had it. Maybe a month or 2 months. It didn't even make the, like, I made a payment on
Tracy,
it.
you don't need to refill that.
But never even put a new filter in. So whatever. Got the credit card, paid it off, and the storm hit. Gone. Garbage disposal is out in the yard. I don't think it works because it's sitting underwater. Dishwasher didn't work because it was underwater. Stove doesn't work because it was underwater. Washer and dryer out because they were underwater. Freezer was underwater. Here is the like dining area. All like the door trim and frame and all that crap is gone. Drywall's gone. Windowsills are gone. All the trim around the windows had to go. Everything was soft and moist. And then living room where the fish tank used to be. We gutted that. This was the closet. We took the door frame off. The door is gone. This is that weirdo little crawl space behind the bathtub. That was all full of mold. That drywall's gone. Main bathroom. Door frame is gone. Sink is gone. It was just a mess. Window frame was all a mess. Tub is still here. And then third bedroom. All of this was the closet, but again, everything's just gone. Windowsills, window frames, whatever, trim, whatever the heck they're called. Drywall gone. Trying to air everything out. This wall is the wall behind the bathroom, and I guess that's some blue board thing that we're thinking that is okay. Then we go to the office, where again we took the door frame off. All the drywall's gone. Window frame or whatever it's called, gone. This was the closet over here. We've got that tore up. Trying to save the cat trees, but I don't think we can. They were in the bathtub. The bathtub got full of water. So they're kind of soft and yicky. I probably should take them out because they're going to stink. And then this filing cabinet, The bottom drawer is swollen shut and it's full of documents, but whatever. But it's too heavy. I can't move it. It's still full of water. Living room. It's also been gutted. I guess we didn't take the window trim down.
Here?
Door frame, I guess, or trim is gone. Behind the door. And then this is the master bedroom. It's also same as the rest of the house, been gutted. Nothing left in here. This was a mess, I guess. This was the window. The window frame or window sill was really soft and moist. That had to come out. There was a lot of water underneath it. And then we had to take out the trim around the window. All of the drywall is out. And then over here, the master bath, that's all been taken out. So there's no sink left anymore. Vanity, whatever. Shower's intact. But, everything else had to go. I think that's the whole house.